Good morning, everyone. Today I built a student management system. It is a console based management system, not a GUI based. Okay, so here we have declared a class. The class name is student. The, the class have a element of one constructor and four methods. First method is a create student. The help of this method we can create a student profile like student name, roll number, and subjects and marks of the subjects. And next method is to display the student. Help of this method we can display the records of the each and particular student. Another method is a update methods. Help of this method we can update the student record if any wrong input in the student record, then we can update it via this method. But some changes in a needed in a some student record, then we can use this update method. And our next method is a delete student. Help of this method we can delete the student records by the help of the roll number. The method delete student and update student are use the roll number as a key for deletion and update student for update purpose. Okay. We also create a main function, and main function, the help of main function we can create the instance objects of the class, and we call the methods here. In line number 52 we mention the main class. Our next video we will be share how to create a student method. Okay, thank you.